Okay, so I'm going to do like a little tutorial here for starting up, refreshing some of those long dormant SolidWorks skills. I'm just going to confirm the problems that we just got done doing pretty quickly. Don't need to do much more. I like to have a nice white background, by the way. This is something I just do, like nice white background. I'm going to use inches, so we're golden there. I'm going to create this on the front plane, and let's see. The first problem, it looks to me we start with the corner. We could do this in a number of ways. I am going to just use lines. You could see you hover and you make it a horizontal line. You can see make it a horizontal line. You hover there, yep, make it vertical. I can kind of hover over this. Kaboom. And let's give some initial dimensions. This was 10. This appeared to be 8. This was 4. And we want to try, I want to put a circle in there. I don't have to put any other things in there. Okay, so the circle was at a radius of 2. So it's actually pretty big. 4, huh? And then it was located 4 and 3. I'm kind of lucky that I picked numbers that were where it actually got built up. All right, so while it's still highlighted right there, so I made my sketch. We can extrude this thing, and I don't care how much it is. So there you go. And then we can go to Evaluate and Section Properties. And select this. And I think I'm missing a thing that says Recalculate. Wait. There you go, recalculate. And so we see that it's 4.56 and 3.14. And if we were to increase the number of decimal places, why not? 4.562, pretty close, yeah. And 4.15, yeah, okay. So we made it pretty close to what we were trying to do before. Let's see, I'll go back over into here. You don't want to see my emails. Right there, right? So we have the 4.56 and the 3.41. And of course, these little round off errors are going to accumulate. All right, so let's see. And can I modify this enough to make it into the other one? Yeah, it's probably not worth my time. I'll just make another one. New part. Like I said, I like to make it a white background. And let's see, make this thing look kind of like the thing. Whoops, didn't mean to go up that high. I zoomed out with a roller trackball. There you go. Did I make it up and down? I did not make it up and down. Okay. Let me zoom. Hit escape. Hit that button. Make that vertical. Gotcha. That's vertical. That's vertical. I'll put some dimensions on it. Let's see. This is, what did I say that was? That should be 8. Let me see. Over on this side, what did I say? It was going to be 10? Yeah, I think it's 10. And this side over here, I think this is also 8. Hard to say. Yeah, I think so. That's not very high, huh? Is it? Okay, I'm gonna put a little rectangle in here. And we established that this was 1. I'm sure pretty close to being 1. That's what you get for accidents. Let's see, this is 2. No, this is 3. Let's see, the distance from the edge, that should be 1. And the distance from the top, we could do that from there or there, it doesn't matter. This is 2. And I'm going to do the circle in a second step. So let me see here. With that thing highlighted, I'm just going to boss it out to the default of 0.1. Let me add in a sketch on top of this, and we'll make a circle. And it'll be attached to this edge, hopefully. Let's see, yep, attached. You can tell by that little mark. The diameter of this is 2. And its location from the bottom should be 2 as well. Yep, 2. So with that, let's see, I'll select the sketch, extrude cut. I'm going to extrude through both sides. Unnecessary, but I did it. And so here you got it. And it looks like the guy yelling, "Yay!" And let's evaluate. And I probably messed this one up. I don't know. Let's see. Let's here recalculate 3.96 and 4.49, and that's the same thing that I got. So I think I might have done it correctly. Here's 4 decimal places: 3.9637 and 4.489. And there you go, 4.489. We got it. Woohoo! All right, one last one to go here. Let's see. We'll do another one. Another part. And there's no real reason to be doing this, but that's okay. I did it anyway. All right, so this one's just a little different. It has a couple circles built as part of it. Wonder I could do this in a bunch of different ways here, huh? Yeah, let me do this. We start out right here. It goes like this, and then like that, and then like that. Okay. This is 6. This distance is 3. And this right here is 3. And this, okay, let me, I'll do it with these. All right, so I've made that little line in there. Got it. Okay, so I fully define this. I think I'm going to come up with, I'll do a, whoops, that should have been horizontal. I'll make it horizontal. And I will make it 3 inches. And now let me put in this. Which one do I want to do? 3 points, tangent arc. I'm going to go 3 points. Then I'm going to go here and there. And sometimes if you hover in the right spot, it kind of knows that what you wanted to do. All right, so yep, it knew what I wanted to do. It knew I wanted to make it tangent right there. So yeah, otherwise I would have added that relation in. And now we want to extrude that. We did, and then we're going to add a sketch to that surface, and it's going to be right here. Whoop! I'll try it again. Right there. So I like thinking of SolidWorks as being sort of like a video game, right? Is that all the big? Well, it doesn't look like it. It didn't get drawn to scale. But yeah, that's supposed to be 1 inch. I think of SolidWorks almost like a kind of a sort of a video game, where my mission is to see how few strokes I can take in order to accomplish some task. And maybe that's like a weird way to think of it, but definitely is more enjoyable than some other engineering tasks. So let's see here. Evaluate, and we'll go section properties. Clicky, clicky. Recalculate. How did we do? Ooh, not good. Not good. I wonder what did I mess up? Alright, so did I make it in the right spot? I got something seriously wrong here. Well, first off, the area is correct. Okay. Negative. I got the right location. 1.5 and 1.5. Wow. How was I so far off? Oh no, I got the one in the Y direction is correct. It's the X direction that's so terrible. So we had to investigate this. So I got negative 2.605, but according to this, maybe I made did I make the thing in the wrong spot? What could I have done? All right, so let me check this out. Negative 1.1. All right, let me see. Let's try to correct. All right, so if you see that, all right, so I got negative 2.61. I'm almost like 1/2 of the way off. That is upsetting, right? Let's take a look at this again. Maybe I should take a screen capture of it here. Section properties, there, recalculate. Negative 1.18. Screen capture, that sounds like a sucker. All right, here you go. Okay, 1.1843. Let's first start by taking, where is the origin right here? The origin is right there. See, now mine doesn't look like it's drawn correctly. I made it 2 inches. That should be correct. It's got to be my calculations must be wrong, because I got the area correct, but somehow I did not get. What could it be? See, you get pi r squared. Okay. And I got the right answer in the y direction. Got the right direction in the y direction, but what could it be about the x that I did incorrectly here? I got area 4.5 times negative 4. Anywhere that's wrong? 3 and 1. Nope. Okay. That should be it, right? So let's double check that. 4.5 times 4 is in fact 18, and that should be negative 18. Okay. Now the next one It should be 9. There you go, right there. How did I do that? 4.5. Oh, see, I hadn't eaten dinner yet, so I was hungry. That's what the thing was. That's what it was. So when we go to look at the video, you'll see I made a mess. I'm not going to re-record it. That should be a negative 1.5. So that should be a negative. Didn't I do? I remember doing this, right? It should be negative 13.5. So 18 and 13. 13.5. Right. So we get a negative 22.50, negative 22.50, and divide by 19, negative 1.184, negative 1.18. Yay for figuring stuff out. Just as we had said before, 1.1, there you go. So we have confirmation. Yay.